Good evening, fiends and nation creatures. You must either be bored out of your minds or just plain brain dead tonight, huh? Well, it's your life, not mine. You want to waste it here on YouTube? Who am I to call you a waste of flesh? Kirisu really doesn't pay me enough for this. But that aside, some ignoramus from Japan is going to hell tonight. Why is this ignoramus from Japan going to hell tonight, you ask? Simple. This video may be a bit outdated, but nonetheless, an idiot knows no time or expiration date. Apparently, this imbecile waits for unsuspecting people to withdraw money from an ATM machine before aggressively smashing them in the back of the head with a giant cinder block.
这2天，相同的遭遇又降临到了一位童先生的头上。当时是夜里的11点多，童先生一边打电话，一边准备在 ATM 机上存钱，突然一块砖头砸来，童先生当场昏倒。之后，一名男子将童先生即将存入的47000元现金和
Human desperation, some say? Maybe. Completely careless and ruthless to your fellow man? Absolutely. Robbing for the sake of personal gain or greed is one thing, but to negate all human compassion altogether and commit something so heinous is another.
机上存款，身后突然出现了一名头戴灰色头盔的男子，他用砖块狠狠地向胡女士的头部砸去，并取走了胡女士放在 ATM 机上的3000多元的现金和包里的900多块。
Perhaps people have their reasons for doing what they do, regardless of how stupid or inbred. Personally, I think this kind of beast is better off in the sewers left with nothing to eat except the residue of old moldy diapers and the 3-year-old tuna roll you left in the back of your fridge. This guy can eat me. He can really fuck off. Fuck this guy, Cross Nation. Fuck him in the ear and the eye socket. No matter what your reasons may be, no matter how desperate and out of luck you may seem, using what seemed to be an unlimited supply of cinder blocks to subdue the unsuspecting will lead you to a fiery inferno in hell in the end. And that is coming from a witch. A shame, really. But understanding the customs in Japan at the same time in this kind of situation, the poor there are invisible to the rest of the general public. Only natural that goons from the alleys come out in strong numbers and in such ruthless ways.
这名头盔男再次以类似的手段作案，只不过头盔的颜色变成了红色，受害者是一位于先生。
But our motorcycle helmeted imbecile was caught by the authorities somewhere in what you got. Get the hell off of my back. I don't do well with my Japanese. Don't act like you're any better insane. If you were, you wouldn't be watching a talking voodoo doll do a report on YouTube, now would you? But he's been jailed, where more than likely he'll stay mopping up the floors and giving his commissary money to poor men and women who he's given brain damage to, with his fiendish tactics. Luckily, all of his victims survived and only suffered a few fractures. And it's for this reason what I am deeming the cinder block charlatan is going to hell tonight. Watch the first step now. It's a doozy. Asshole.